Namaste children. Today we are going to learn about the lesson from your civics part. Women change the world. See my dear children, before going to the class, I am going to say one small incident which happens in Rosie teacher's classroom. She is Rosie teacher. She asked her children to draw some drawings, what they wish. After few minutes, she is willing to collect the paper. She have noticed that most of the children drawn the picture as like their wish, especially the children from her class drawn the teacher as male image and female images, and then as farmers, factory workers, nurse, scientist and also pilot. See my dear children, what we think that only happen in our future, so that you too also think about your future and you have to engage with your aim. Come back to your lesson. Here the people followed the caste system on those period. Along with the caste system, the stereotypes also followed, which mean the negative believing of some people and also some groups. So that is the drawback of our society. So here too, the lower caste people are not getting the privileges on those period. Not only the lower caste, but also the woman who belongs to that poor also faced a lot of difficulties like this way. They did not allowed, especially the girl children are not allowed to get their education. They are asked to work in their house and also that other works and to fetch the water, like that way. So by doing that kind of home works, they did not allow to get their education and also not allowed to get their job opportunities. See, like this way children, the lower caste people are suffered a lot, but it was broken by the 27-year-old lady whose name is called Lakshmi Lakra, who belongs to Jharkhand. So I showed that map also in your Zoom class, Jharkhand, and she is the first woman engine driver for Northern Railways. She has completed the electronics, automobiles and also the engineering. So then and there she has completed her railway board exam and passed and got that first attempt as in high score. Basically, her parents are not educated. They were teased by other high class people and not getting the privileges in the society. But those parents got that right spirit. They are willing to give that education for their children, and then and there only Lakshmi Lakra, who become the first woman engine driver for Northern Railways. Like this way, in the early period also, a lady who was called Rokia Shakawat Hossain, she too also suffered a lot because she belongs to minority caste, but she faced everything as in right spirit. Are you ready to see that video children? My dear children, not only Lakshmi Lakra and also that Rokia Shakawat Hussain, but also more achievers are in our country. Not only in country but also the world. They are achieving a lot. So as like that, you too also achieve in your future. Thank you, children.